In this video, we are going to look and see what our stem and leaf graphs are showing us, and I'm also going to show you a second step that I really want you to take when we're looking at stem and leaf graphs. So first of all, if I had this over here, this is my stem and these are all the leaves. Now these are actually 40 and 50 and 60 and 70, and when I'm doing it, it's going to be 44, 41, 45, 49. So when we are looking at the first one is going to be 44, then we are going to have 41, then we are going to have 45, and if I carry on doing that all the way through, those are all the values. So 77 is my last one, 73. You can see I have just written them all out. Now, we looked at our tally chart as a great way to sort data. A stem and leaf graph is another way that we can use to sort data. Now, I don't like how these are not in numerical order, because it's a lot easier if they are in numerical order to see what is happening with our data. So what I would always want you to do is, if you were doing your stem and leaf and it wasn't a back-to-back one, so you just had one single set, 4, 5, 6 and 7, you've got all of those could be the rough when you were first sorting your data and putting it in, and then once that was done you would need to, sorry, it's not a very neat thing, but put these in order. So it goes 0, 1, 4, 5, 5, and then 9. And in this one, the lowest one would be 50, 51. There are 2 2s. The next number is 7, then 8, and then 9. I'm just going to quickly do it all. Okay, so now I have sorted all of them. So can you see they all go in numerical order? And that's going to help us later when we're doing the mean, the median, and the mode. Can you see it's really good to see? We can see there's lots of 61s in this one, and there's 2 45s in there. So it gives us a clearer picture of what our data is doing. Okay, so a stem and leaf is a really good way of sorting our data. You generally will be given a group of numbers and you will need to put them into the stem and leaf. These are all the 40s, 50s, 60s and 70s, but normally they'd all be mixed up and you'd need to just put the second value in as you go.